Hello everyone, today let us learn how to display the battery status and the time, the current time on your status bar using DWM. Now if you watched my previous video on DWM, I talked about the basics and the fundamentals of DWM. Today we will learn how to basically display something dynamic like your current battery status and maybe you want to display the current working directory or the weather or the time, for example. And for doing that, you can open terminal. And for this example, I will use one command called xsetroot. And if you basically pass in here name, you can type here something like BlackBerry boy, and it will display something here like a string, a static string. Now instead of this static string, the good thing about this command is that you can also display something which is dynamic. So that dynamic could be the output of a command that you want to execute, or it could be your date. For example, if I pass in here, let us say I want to display the date, so I can do something like this, like within quotes I can type a dollar and then I can use a date here, and if I press enter it will display the date. I can also display the current working directory, so if I do pwd for example, it will display my current working directory, which is fine. But the problem is that this particular xsetroot is not permanent. And by the way, if you notice here, this particular pwd output, the current working directory, is now replaced by battery percentage, I mean the battery capacity and the time. And the reason is that I have a script which is updating it automatically. So let me show you one script that I have basically. So basically it is my x.x init rc file where I am keeping track of, I'm basically executing few things in a loop. For example, there is a while loop here that will basically run every minute. So there is a sleep 1 minute. I can change it to maybe 2 minutes or maybe 10 minutes. But I think for doing things every minute, I think battery status, I want to basically update it every minute. And I think 1 minute is fine. So whatever command that you want to execute, whatever anything that you want to do every minute, you can do it here within this while loop. And I'm basically using the same xsetroot command that I showed you earlier, and I'm showing you my my file where I have this battery capacity. So if you look at my file here, I just have one battery. You can have more than one battery. So for BAT0, I am looking at the capacity, and you can of course do if you want, you can also look for other things. For example, if I show you the same folder where I have the batteries, for example, if I go inside the power supply, and if you look at the battery 0 here, let me just show you this properly. So if you look within this particular directory, you have things like capacity and capacity level. For example, I think capacity works fine, so right now it is 66%, and maybe you want to check the capacity level, which is normal. You can also see things like manufacturer, model name, and power now. But I think the most important thing that you need to be aware of is the current battery, which battery level in terms of percentage. Like if you see something which is less than 5%, maybe you want to do something. For example, if you look at the current status, it is charging, and maybe you can modify the script to display maybe a small icon that indeed it is charging right now, or it is discharging. For example, if I remove the charger, and if I now look at the status, it says discharging. So this is something that you can do in your xinit rc file, because it is up to you when you're working with DWM, and especially in Arch Linux, you have to do things yourself, and that is the great part, because you will learn a lot of things. Because when you modify these files, when you basically when you install Arch Linux, you will get a system which is blank, and you have to do everything yourself, and that is where you will learn a lot. So that is all I wanted to talk about in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new today. Thank you very much.